Hello, Jungle Explorer here, and today what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to program a aftermarket Toyota Sienna key fob remote entry little remote thing here. And so I bought two of these off Amazon.com for about 25 bucks, which I thought was an excellent deal, about $12 each. And you know, so I wanted to program them, and I went online looking, and I found some instructions. And you know, this is probably one of the most complex programming procedures I've ever seen for one of these key fobs. I mean, this is really hop, you know, on one foot, you know, rub your head, pat your tummy, you know, stick your tongue out, touch your nose type things. And you know, it's really pretty complex, but I'm going to go ahead and walk through it pretty right here. So you're really going to have to keep the sequence in order as you go through this. And it's going to require opening and closing the door a bunch of times, putting the key in, taking the key out, everything. So let me go ahead and grab the original key here. I've already programmed this key, but I'm going to show it use the original just for because I want to have this in my hand when I'm doing this. So here's what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is open the driver's side door. All of the doors have to be closed. You're going to put your key in twice. Now, instead of me opening and closing the door, I'm just going to be pushing the door button down on the side panel of the door. It keeps from having it's a lot faster. So I'm going to run through this pretty quickly. So basically, you're going to put the key in the ignition and pull it out twice. You're going to close and open the door twice. Push the key in the ignition, close and open the door twice, put the key in the ignition and close the door. Okay, turn the car on, turn it off, take it out, the doors will lock. Push both buttons at the same time for 1.5 seconds. Let go, press this one for 2 seconds, and the key now is programmed. There you go. Works just fine. And so let me run through that real fast. Let me get it out of the programming system by opening and turning the key on. Let me run through that real quick. It don't take too long to do it. I'll do it real fast. Okay, so open the door. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope. Okay, I did it wrong. Trying to go too fast there. All right, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Close the door. Turn the key on. Turn it off. Pull it out. Press both buttons simultaneously for 1.5 seconds. Let off. Press the lock button for 2 seconds. The doors will lock, and that's as easy as it is. So you don't have to have anybody else do it. You can do it yourself. You can get them cheaply off Amazon.com, these little remotes. I'm going to put a link to the remotes that I bought down in the description of the video. Underneath the video, just click the show more button, and you can go straight to this link to buy these if you have a Toyota Sienna like mine. This programming system will work for other different Toyotas, so you know, may work for even up to the 2009, 2010 Toyota Siennas. It's all the same. It's a little complex. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, the Jungle Explorer signing out.